What's up guys, welcome back, you're watching for today. In our last video we provided the new fingerprint animations for all non-rooted OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16. You will find its link in the iCard. However, that mod only included the few animation style and didn't have the stock fingerprint icons, and they came with the several glitches. But if your device is rooted and running with OxygenOS 16.0.9, you can use many additional fingerprint animations like Pac-Man, Genshin Paimon, Hutao, and many more. You will also get stock fingerprint icons and will experience the fewer glitches as compared to non-root mod we provided earlier. This video is only for the rooted OxygenOS 16 devices. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I have explained the proper installation steps, how to avoid the glitches if you are using the version below OxygenOS 16.0.9, and how to uninstall this mod if you don't like it. Now without further delay, let's get started. This mod is actually built for the rooted OxygenOS 16.0.9 devices, but I will also show you how to use it on non-rooted OxygenOS 16 versions below that. So this is my OnePlus 12R running with the Magic's rooted OxygenOS 16.0.5 V1001 build. This mod works on any OxygenOS 16 version rooted with the Magic's, A patch or kernel soup. You need to download all the stock fingerprint icons, APK files and the PUI themes module from the link given in the video description. Open your root manager. I am using the Magic's. I highly recommend you to install the anti-boot loop protector module first to avoid the boot loops. Now flash the PUI fingerprint animation zip file and reboot your device. Once your device boots up, open the fingerprint and icon settings. You will notice a new fingerprint setting page with the separate icon section in the first row and all the new fingerprint animation styles in the second row. Using the plus button, you can add the new fingerprint icons. You can add up to 5 custom icons here. If you want to replace anyone, simply long press on the existing icon, then tap on the delete. Then press the plus button to add any emojis or the character as your new fingerprint icon. You can then apply any fingerprint animations to these icons. These are some amazing animations included in this mod that aren't available in the non-root method we shown in our previous video. Just like the previous non-root method, this mod also has one glitch. If you apply the water ripple effect animation and then switch to another fingerprint animation, you will notice a mix effect where the water ripple animation is still partially visible. Some stock fingerprint icons are removed after installation of this mod, but you can restore them by installing all the stock fingerprint icon APKs provided in the video description. After installing them, you will get all the stock fingerprint icons back along with the 5 customizable fingerprint icons in this setting. However, there is one major issue. If you are using this mod on OnePlus devices running with older OxygenOS 16 version below 16.0.9, you may experience app management setting force close issue. Devices running with the rooted OxygenOS 16.0.9 won't face this problem. Fortunately, you can fix it by following these steps. Simply install the new Realme setting APK file provided in the video description. After installing it, the app management section will work properly again, but the fingerprint setting page will changes to Realme user interface style. We will now see the two sections, custom and default. The stock fingerprint icons you installed won't appear in the settings panel. Only the 5 customizable fingerprint icons will be available. You can apply fingerprint animations using either the custom or default section, but I recommend you to always use the custom section for best experience. This setting page also provides the additional icon packs. You can long press on any icon, tap on the edit, and then can use the change option to choose many more fingerprint icons that aren't available in the default stock OxygenOS fingerprint setting. But there are few drawbacks are present by using this Realme settings APK. The fingerprint setting page becomes less responsive and some actions may be slightly delayed. Some setting information and the OTA card will also changes to Realme user interface style. The OTA card will display version as Realme user interface. Even the software version may show you Realme user interface 3.0. These are same issues we shown in our previous non-root method, but this solution fixes the app management force close issue on the older OxygenOS 16 versions. If you don't like this mod, simply remove the PUI fingerprint themes module from your root manager and reboot your device, and then install the stock settings APK provided in the video description. This mod works perfectly on rooted OxygenOS 16.0.9 devices. If you are using an older OxygenOS 16 version, I recommend using the non-root method shown in our previous video, although it includes fewer fingerprint animations. In coming days, I will bring more root and non-root mods for OnePlus and ColorOS devices, so stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload the new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.